Welcome to this flight then of the Hobbyking Corsair 750mm, and I'm running this on a 3S battery and a lot of wind today. So I'm going to face the wind and hopefully this one just took off in a really short distance. And it is really windy today, so it will be interesting to see how the Hobbyking Corsair handles this then. Oops, a little bit squirrely. So I mean the 700 to 800mm size, it's not that visible, so it's really easy to lose orientation. I mean, just as I keeping up speed and not doing too many crazy moves on the sticks. It's quite easy to fly this Corsair. Of course, the Corsair is maybe one of the most interesting airplanes designs I know of. And this Hobbyking Corsair is more, I would say it's more detailed and better looking than the FMS Corsair 800mm, but in honesty I think the FMS flies better than this one. But on the 3S it does have some nice power. The wind is coming from my left, so I'm just going downwind and then facing the wind, and then I have a lot of lift. You can expect something like 3 minutes on a 3S 850 milliamp battery, and it's a little bit difficult to fit a larger battery inside. I mean, it just flies straight, and this is also using the ORX stabilizer inside, and there's an Orange RX, I think it's a 620 receiver, which I've glued between the fuselage and wing. So I had to cut out some foam, but it's a really tight place inside to put the battery and receiver. So it was, I suppose, the best option just to carve out some foam and put it between the wing and fuse then. It's time to get the spur down. Facing the wind, let it drop. Okay, so that's the Hobbyking Corsair then. I mean, it's a really nice looking RC airplane, but in honestly opinion, I much more prefer to fly the FMS 800mm. But thank you for watching.